plan to disassemble the brakes and disconnect the line. It is much easier to first clean it thoroughly with the water, because if you don't do it and disassemble it, then it will be much more difficult to clean, because there will be openings through which the dirt can go inside, so you'll have to be much more careful while cleaning if you do it after disconnecting it. So just it's better just to take your time and clean it before doing something else. I'm planning to replace all the brake lines and install the steel braided cables. So basically this is why I'm cleaning it. I did the cleaning of the brakes and I already rebuilt the brakes actually, so I don't really need to do anything here, but because when I replace the lines, I will need to get rid of all the air inside of the cables. Then I may need to retract the pistons all the way back here, and if these pistons will be dirty, it's not possible. I mean, it's possible, but if these pistons are dirty, then you should never push them back here, because there are rubber seals here just on the edge of this metal. You probably cannot see them, but right here there is a rubber seal, and if these pistons are dirty and you push it inside, then you introduce dirt inside of your brakes, and after that basically you'll need to rebuild the brakes, replace the bushings, the seals. So just take your time first to thoroughly clean it if it's possible. Currently I'm just using water with a little bit of dishwashing soap. This I almost new. I only did around 5,000 kilometers after rebuilding brakes. relatively clean, but last time when I cleaned it before, they were super dirty on these pistons, and it was not possible to clean them actually, so I had to take them apart and then clean with the polish compound, and I replaced the rubber seals. So if your bikes are not cleaned for 30,000 kilometers, don't expect them to be so shiny. It's probably a good habit to do it every winter, I would say. That's it. This is how you clean brakes.